Next Peak presents How to Talk to a Girl, 10 Flirting Tips Every Guy Should Know. Let's be honest, figuring out how to approach and flirt with a girl without going overboard can be seriously tough for most guys. What usually happens is this. A guy sees someone he's attracted to and then completely blanks on what to say. But the truth is, once you know a few basic flirting strategies, starting a conversation becomes a lot less stressful. So here are 10 ways to spark up a conversation with a girl and make it look effortless. Number 1, the staring game. Spotted a girl that caught your attention? Before diving in, start with subtle eye contact. Glance in her direction a few times and gauge her response. If she looks back, maybe smiles, or keeps catching your eye too, that's a great sign. But if she's clearly not interested or gives you a cold look, it's best to hold off. If she's engaged in this little eye game, you're already making progress. Number 2, walk with confidence. Nothing kills the vibe faster than looking nervous or unsure. If you're going to talk to her, do it with confidence. Stand tall, keep your head up, and meet her gaze as you approach. Confidence is attractive. It shows self-assurance and genuine interest. Just don't cross the line into arrogance, because that can be a major turnoff. Number 3, drop a hint you're interested. Jumping straight into, hey, want to go out, is usually not the best move. Girls appreciate a little build-up. Let her sense that you're interested before going full speed ahead. If you just appear out of nowhere without any signals, she might be caught off guard. Or worse, annoyed. Subtle cues give her time to warm up and decide if she wants to engage too. Number 4, ask for her opinion. Need a natural way to break the ice? Ask her thoughts on something. Pick topics most women like talking about: fashion, relationships, pop culture, etc. Frame it like you're genuinely curious. Say something like, hey, we're having a debate. Can you settle it for us? Or, why is everyone suddenly into retro 80s fashion again? If it's a fun or thoughtful question, she'll likely be eager to weigh in. Number 5, make her smile. Humor is one of the best ways to connect. You don't need to be a stand-up comedian, but toss in some witty remarks or clever observations. Humor helps break the ice and makes the moment more enjoyable. Just steer clear of teasing her or making her the butt of the joke. Keep it light and respectful. Number 6, give her a unique compliment. Generic compliments? They're fine, but forgettable. Want to stand out? Compliment something specific and meaningful. Instead of nice dress, try, you've got an awesome laugh. Or, I noticed how kind you were just now. That's rare. When she sees you've taken the time to notice something deeper, it makes a lasting impression. Number 7, talk about what's around you. Not sure what to say? Look around. There's always something happening. Someone's wild outfit, a weird situation, anything out of the ordinary. Use your environment to spark a natural conversation. And if she notices it too, even better. It creates an instant shared moment to talk about. Number 8, keep up with what's trending. Before heading out, check the latest headlines or entertainment news. Staying informed gives you easy material to chat about. Celebrity news is especially useful. It's fun, light, and often relatable. If someone nearby is acting a bit wild, you can joke, looks like they're doing their best insert celeb impression tonight. It's an easy way to bring humor and relevance into the chat. Number 9, have a few good stories ready. Always have a couple of cool or funny stories in your back pocket. Start with something like, okay, this is going to sound crazy, but make it entertaining, make her laugh, and let it say something positive about you. Good stories show off your personality, confidence, and ability to keep things fun without sounding like you're bragging. Number 10, be a gentleman. Planning to ask her out? Then step up your manners. Being respectful and polite goes a long way. While some girls may entertain bad boy vibes, most appreciate a guy who's genuine and courteous. And if she's been approached by rude or pushy guys before, you being kind and respectful will instantly set you apart. So stay classy and don't fear rejection. Every no brings you closer to the right yes. So the next time you see a girl you'd like to talk to, try out these tips and see where it takes you. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, share it with your crew, and subscribe for more content like this.